Sup, Storm Watchers? I hope you all had a great weekend and week. So it's finals week, at least for me it is. I know some of you all already have finals. But yeah, this week is finals, and I wish that I have one more. My psychology one is tomorrow, so after this I gotta get back to studying, but I wanted to post this video to let y'all know I didn't forget about you in my busy time of studying. Yeah, so I had to take one on Monday, and that was my math, and then Wednesday I had my government. Oh, it was yesterday. And then yesterday was also my online English one. So, uno más. And then I'm done. Well, at least till summer. And then I have 2 online classes, which shouldn't be too bad. I don't have to go out of my way and go to a set timed class or anything, which is pretty convenient. And so I'll be starting my sophomore year with 30 hours instead of, just wow, I'm retarded. 24. Well, I don't know why that was so hard. Anyway, Godzilla comes out tomorrow, I think. And the next X-Men movie is coming out. I'm pretty excited. All these good movies, and I haven't seen any of them. I'm getting wildly depressed, and I am desperate to go on a movie splurge, because I really want to see them all. Or I just have a really big Netflix day. Or not. Well, Netflix, Redbox, whatever. I just watch all the ones I've missed. Yeah, story of my life. Oh goodness, it's almost summer, so that means that it'll be hot. So use protection. Sunscreen is always good. And yeah, the weather is supposed to be warm today, but then it got colder. So it makes me sad, because I wanted it to be warm this weekend, because I'm tired of being cold on random days and then really hot other days. And it was pouring Monday and Tuesday, and then it's all bright and sunny Wednesday. Really weird. And then yeah, it's bright and sunny again today, but it's still colder than I would like it to be. I want to be able to wear shorts comfortably. And for me, that means hot. Sorry, warm. Yeah, warm isn't actually appropriate. But yeah. Let's see. Oh, funny story. Okay, so the other day, I was at my mom's house, and I was hanging out with the dog Latte. And Latte's this little Yorkie poo, and he's sweet. And he used to be my brother's dog, but now they're trying to get rid of him. And so every time I come over, I love on him, and so he follows me around every time I go. And so the other day I was over there, and then I went back over to Gavin's, and Gavin's dogs were, sniffing me out, and they were like, "You've been with someone else." I'm dead serious. She gave me that look. And I was like, "Sorry, I was with Latte." And then Gavin's mom goes, "Oscar doesn't care who you've slept with. He just wants some love." And so yeah, it was funny, because yeah, I spent the night over mom's sleeping thing. Yeah. Let's see what else. Yeah, so there's a funny story. I'm gonna try to do some more reading this summer. I hint on try, because I'm not making any promises on how much reading I'll actually get done, because Lord knows I'll get distracted by something else. Excuse me. Like solitaire, or 4 Pics in a Word, or some of my TV shows. Once Upon a Time just ended Sunday, and I finally saw the season finale last night. So I'm, ready to start talking about it, instead of, like, la 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 la, tell me. but I kind of already knew like what was coming next. As in, I knew that what's-my-jig? I knew that Frozen was coming, and I wasn't expecting them to do Frozen this soon. But I think they're hopping on the bandwagon since it was such a success. This is what finals does to you. Compulsive yawning. That should be under side effects of finals. Yeah. So, kids who haven't graduated high school yet, don't go to college. It's a trap. No, I'm kidding. College is actually better than high school in a lot of ways. Yeah. So, don't let me discourage you. But, next weekend is my cousin's wedding. I'm super excited about it, except for that's like what everything else is. Don't y'all know that's totally true? Like, you don't have anything to do one weekend, and then the next weekend, it's like everything happens all at the same time. Like, my cousin's wedding, or her rehearsal dinner is Thursday. Then her wedding is Friday. And then Saturday, Gavin's parents got this thing to Joel Osteen, you know, like the TV evangelist dude. And then it's his cousin's birthday party thing. And it's also the week of Shakespeare in the Park. And it's also, I know I'm missing something, but yeah, all that stuff, one weekend. So, it's going to be crazy. Like, 2 weeks ago with Gavin's dive thing, I realized afterwards that I was supposed to be, or Mom had intended for me to go to a retreat that weekend or something. Kind of glad that didn't happen because Gavin didn't really have anyone to go to his dive meet except for me. So, and then we thought his cousin's birthday was that weekend, and so we were like scrambling around like we were going to do this party hopping thing. We were going from one party to the other. But he wound up canceling, so we were able to kind of relax, but at the same time we were kind of tired and sun-beaten and yawning. Yeah, so I bet y'all all can guess when this title is gonna be just compulsive yawning, because I've probably yawned more than I've done anything else. But yeah, I should stop talking because I need to get back to studying. So, guys, let me know what you want me to talk about next week. I'll probably be talking about my cousin's wedding. But, yeah. So, stay off some storm watchers, and I'll see you next week.